everyone. I'm here with
Sam.
Sam.
And Joanna.
Hi, Sam and Joanna. Uh, what are you grateful for?
I'm grateful for the opportunities I have to come here and travel as much as I do.
How about
Grateful to have friends that open heart to help, and then grateful to have opportunity to find work.
that's very fair. And what positive advice you can share today?
Is to be grateful and appreciate the small things in your life. It's sometimes you work a lot, get very little to come back, but you have to appreciate even the little things that happen.
Because sometimes, guys, the small things matters most. And how about you?
To be grateful is even you don't have work at this moment, you still have to be grateful because you still find very little opportunity, and you still have opportunity to find help somewhere, or just keep on moving. Don't lose hope.
Okay, that's good.